Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to create a new column in Power BI. So from last few videos we are using the sales data, and today again we will use the same data set to create the new column. So first let's have a look of the data. So in the sales data, let's start from the left. We have the product key, we have the order date, we have the order quantity, we have a unit price, extended amount, we have a discount amount, and we have a total product cost and sales amount. Okay, so by using the sales amount and total product cost, we will try to create a new column which is the profit. So let's go to the dashboard. So for creating a new column, you just need to click it this sales data, this table, and if you see there is some options available here, so you just click it the new column, and one window will be open to write the formula, generally how we will write into the Excel sheet or any other places. So let's first assign the name. We will say this is profit, and the profit will be sales amount minus sales total total product cost. Yeah, so just that's it, and you need to hit the enter button. Wait for a few seconds. The new column profit will be created within a few seconds. Okay, so let's see the sales data. Now we can see there is a column which is profit here. So let's go to the table and try to see if the new column has been created or not. You can see at the top right the new column which is the profit has been created here. Okay, so let's do some plot. Simply let's plot it here. Let's use the same graph and just change it by this clustered column chart. Okay, let's first increase the size of the chart, and here in the x-axis we already have the country. In the y-axis let's put this profit. First remove this, we don't want the total product cost, we want the profit, and we want the total sales. So let's see the sales amount. So this is the sales amount. Okay, so now you can see we have a new column, and here we also, by using the new column, we have created a chart. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.